fuck you buy all these boxes? You homeless? Cause I got the hookup. The hookup? The hookup, baby.
Two, what's good with y'all, kin folks? It's from the neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy back again on this release Saturday. You know what time it is? The ones come out. The ones about to drop this morning, so I'm up early trying to go to the store to secure my pair and also other pairs. So I'm gonna be out and about. Hopefully y'all enjoy this. But if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that subscribe button, man. We're on the road to 2K and we moving up pretty quick, man. I appreciate all y'all for rocking with your boy. But man, I ain't got no time to waste. It's already like 7:45. So let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. And just like that, we here. It's a little after 8 o'clock. Nobody in the parking lot, but my manager, they talking about they gonna be in here early, so I should have got here at 7. But y'all know how I do. I'm like one of the worst procrastinators ever, man. Like, that's what's holding me back from being great, because I procrastinate a lot. But walking the Foot Locker. What we doing? Early with it.
What size you got?
A 12 and a 7.
It's early, bro.
It is. Hey, White, what's up?
210 to 21. Feel good to be back in the system. What? All of this for 210.
What up?
Shh, don't tell nobody.
That boy crazy. What time we giving people to pick their pairs up?
3 o'clock, guys, like always.
What about employees?
3? Yeah, but you know, if you work, you don't gotta come early. What's your email, bro?
My first name, last name, 25 at gmail.com. No, Yahoo. Use the Yahoo.
Review coming soon.
You already know.
They say they like this, not the shatterback, but the bread toast. Like in
Bag, mother, loving, secured. Now, I saw something with the Adidas boots over in the parking lot. I'm gonna roll and see what they talking about too, man. If they got some Yeezys up in that bad boy, we finna cook all morning. Like, that's all I'm trying to do. Cook, flip, all that. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Personal pair of that thing, man. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, they ain't gave me no fugazi pair. Woo, 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 woo. Woo. Just make sure the stitch is straight. Everything's looking Gucci. Everything is looking good. Word to my boy Ratchet. Oh yeah, these hoes clean. They look white in the light, but it's sealed to the naked eye. Damn, I can't wait. Man, we gotta cook some more. And I gotta find some white laces, man. I wanna put some white laces in this thing, man. Y'all see my check engine light on? That shit be on and it be off. I done went and got a check. Nobody don't know what's going on. But your boy just hit on the sneakers app for a size 5. That size 5 is for sale. I'm trying to find Dom in his Hibbets. I've never been in this mall before. And needless to say, I'm lost. He said it's a line. Oh, I see it. I see a Jimmy Jazz too. So I'm gonna go in there and ask them what they hitting on. But damn, man, I wish I'd known about this earlier. And I can't damn run. But let me see what this Hibbets joint hitting on right quick.
Check this shit out.
And there's the man over there. It ain't a bad line. Oh, I already got 3 pairs. What's up, bro? Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How many you trying to get?
David's and Jimmy Jazz.
Okay, I just saw that line. I was like, bro. But bro act like he didn't know what I was talking about. Like, what time does the raffle end? He said he didn't know. So the Hibbets in Monroe. I don't know why I keep saying Matthews. The Hibbett's in Monroe sold out. They only had like 9 extra pairs left, and it was like 20 people in line, and I was like number 15. So, hey man, it is what it is. But I'm at the Hood Foot Locker right now, about to see if they got the ones. If they ain't got them, then I'm just gonna head to work and see how many pairs we got left over at work, and hopefully my manager let me buy some without the discount. But let's walk in here right quick. That's a Hood Foot Locker, street Foot Locker, boy. I ain't seen one of them in years. And luckily these right up this one right up the street from my house. They first come, first serve here? Okay, that's cool. So they got some extra sizes.
Y'all got a 7 and a 12.
I still need this one.
You want me to check another store?
I still need these.
There, what size you need? We got a 7 and a 10.
What size is that?
No, it only came in mid sizes. 11 and a half.
11 and a half?
Yeah, so it's still right for 2 and 3.
It's still 2 or 3?
These aren't.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all have a good day. Triple beam scale. Shawty say daddy got a triple beam scale.
Triple beam scale. Shawty say daddy got a triple beam scale. Shawty say daddy got a triple beam scale.
What a day it has been with all these bags, man. God.
Shout out to all the pair.
So I got size 6, size 7, 10, 11 and a half, and a 12, which may be my personal size. And shout out to everybody that was able to cook up all these pairs yesterday.
Shout out to all the pair.
And I'm glad I found this spot. It's like less than a mile from my spot. And I can't believe I'm about to move away from this area. I'm about to move, but I'm supposed to be moving. I don't know yet. Might not move. But y'all saw the review I did the other day. Appreciate y'all for checking that out. We just gonna go through some in-depth details again. Man, this is definitely shattered backboard quality. Let y'all see that. Focus on that thing right quick. Definitely shattered backboard quality. The leather on this is stupid. And I don't know, I kind of want to sit on a couple pairs, but I pause. But I don't know yet, man. But dog, I can't believe I got all these pairs, man. But I seen everybody doing the cross lace, one shoe navy blue, the other shoe Carolina blue. I'm gonna put some white shoestrings in my joints, man. I feel like the white will make it pop more. Even though I am a Carolina guy and I love that Carolina blue Go Tar Heels in basketball, not football. I like USC in football, but get Jake Bentley and fight Muschamp. I'm tired of them. 4 years of losing, we ain't do nothing. But anyway, like I said, the leather on these is straight. The toe box on this is immaculate. Y'all don't know what that means? Look it up in the dictionary. But you got that pinch, you got that pinch. I ain't want to squeeze my shoe because like I said, I don't know if this 12 is my personal pair. I'm sorry. I'm keeping this 12. I need this. I love the smell of them things. Shout out to Retro Wiz Kids, smell test approved. Dog, everything about this shoe is perfect. The coloring, like, in my opinion, this is better than, this might be the best one of the year. Way better than the Travis Scott ones. I don't care about all the hype. This is better than the Travis Scott ones, in my opinion. I can't believe I franted and franted over that sneaker. And there's all kind of fakes out there, so bump that. But you guys let me know in the comment section below how many pairs did you cop. If you copped as many pairs as you wanted, are you gonna sit on them? Are you gonna sell them immediately? I think I'm gonna sell these immediately. Like, I ain't hurting for the money, but I don't need multiple pairs sitting, so definitely gonna get rid of these, man. But this 12 is my personal pair. I'm gonna put these back here. Since IBA said I like to sell my shoes and I done sold all the shoes, I might as well sell my drop fronts. I ain't selling my drop fronts. I'm about to refill this thing, you feel me? But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all think of these. The grade school pairs, man. I mean, I hit on 6 pairs totally because I won on Sneakers app, so I got a pair for sneakers coming in. But I don't know, I want my girl to keep a pair, but my girl about tall as I am, so she she wear a men's size, but I don't know. Damn, that size 8. That shit going for a lot, so she might not get this pair. Sorry, boo. But y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all think about it. Now, I know I haven't done this in a while because of my whole walking thing, but I'm probably gonna lace these bad boys up and give y'all an on foot. I hate to lace them up because, like I said, I want that white in that thing, man. I want these white shoestrings. But I'm gonna go ahead and lace them up, give y'all a quick on foot, man. It's been a while since I did a good on foot. So I hope y'all enjoy it, man. It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Signing off, baby. Oh, no. Love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that thing, baby. Out of here.